right, so we're back at Darlington, giving this a try again, see if we can get some pelicans. And hopefully there are lots of other birds as well with the fall migration starting. Well, this is definitely nicer than last time. Hopefully you can hear me over the waves. You know, not only is the sun not roasting me alive, but it's also just like it helps a lot with photography. My photos won't all be really bright. On the other side here, you've got all the different swans along there. There's some cormorants across this side and a kingfisher all along the trees. And there's 3 outlooks with benches, actually 4 of them. So we are going to go get some lunch and set up over at one of those picnic tables. Sarah's gonna be able to read, and then we'll be able to just spend a bit of time here waiting to see if any other animals come through. I think it'll be a good spot. Of today is how sunny and hazy it is. Just a whole bunch of heat waves and distortion in the air. It really doesn't benefit the 600mm very well. All right, so we packed a little bit differently today. Let me show you. So if we do any wildlife stuff today, I packed myself the Sigma 100 to 400, something a little bit more lightweight with the Sony a7 IV still, of course. So we might get a chance to try that out and see how it compares with the Sony 200 to 600. What I can say is it's definitely a whole lot lighter for my back. I've got my filters here for the drone today. I also packed the Sigma 24 to 70mm for any landscape shots. I've got the DJI Mini 2. I've already got a polarizer filter on the front, so we're gonna take that off and switch it out for a ND filter. Just pulls right off. If we want the ND64, I'm gonna go with the darkest option, and hopefully that's enough. And the most difficult part is just getting it on there. Actually, that was very easy. We're up and running. All right, so we lost connection. We're gonna go find the drone now. It should just be right over here. I was just filming something and then it just, boom, gone. So hopefully, yeah, there it is. And I still got control of it. So we're flying blind. Luckily I wasn't far, thank God. That's why they say to keep an eye on where your drone actually is at all times. Like, you should still be able to see it or quickly get access to be able to see it. And now I'm just gonna have to figure out where I'm landing this thing. All right, let's put it there for a sec. I think I can do this. All right. So we're just gonna carefully fly it, oops, wrong button, right through here. Perfect. All right, we are headed over to Birdhouse City right now. Let's see what Birdhouse City's all about. That's a dumb question. It's about birds. It's hard to tell on camera, but that's really steep. I just want to at least go up and see if there's any cool views. Can we tell how steep it is yet? I don't know what's going to be at the top here. My shoes aren't very grippy. They keep sliding. I'm definitely hoping to see some cool fall colors up here. There's got to be an opening somewhere. We can't go too far because we're the worst outdoors people ever, and we didn't even bring water, the most basic survival necessity. And here we are, climbing up like a 70-degree slope. 75, I don't know. Holy! Cool. We're just looking for an opening. I want to see if there's like a big outlook somewhere out here. Across the bridge.
It's a very bad bridge.
So far this way's only given us telephone wires and a squirrel. That was one frightened squirrel when he saw us. You can see the steepness of that. Kind of difficult to get small animals with this lens, but I don't know. We'll see how that one turned out. Hopefully pretty good. I'm gonna quickly switch lenses because there's a Cooper hawk just through the branches here. All right, 20 hours later, I've got the lens swapped. Sarah's keep an eye for me. It's completely gone. All right, we're gonna make our way down this hill over to the wooden bridge. Well, I'm not really sure how much hiking content I captured, but it was fun nonetheless. We'll see. Right on lake on a mountain right now. I'm just getting a couple landscape shots.